y'all, it is Steph. I am so excited because today I am launching the first of 3 workshops, my Illustrated Eras of Fashion workshop featuring the 1960s mod movement. I'm really excited about this one because it's kind of geared towards kids and teenagers, and I'm sure you're asking why. Um, that's where I got my start teaching. I was teaching students at Austin School of Fashion Design back in 2010, and that's where I learned how to teach. It's how I learned my style of illustration. So if it sounds like I am speaking to a child, it's because that's how I learned to teach. So I hope you'll love it. It is available now in Outschool. Send your kids over there. I'm going to be launching it on a different site for adults soon, but I'm very excited and I hope you'll love it.